Welcome to our channel. Here are the 3 ways to making money while you sleep. Starting with number 1. Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account. You haven't even had your coffee yet, and you're already earning. That's the magic of passive income. Money you earn that doesn't require constant hands-on work. It's about building streams of revenue that flow even when you're sleeping, traveling, or simply enjoying your free time. Now, don't confuse passive income with getting rich quick schemes. It takes upfront effort, planning, and a bit of patience. But the rewards are worth it. Think of it like planting a tree. You need to dig the hole, plant the seed, and water it regularly. Once it's grown, it bears fruit year after year with minimal effort. So, are you ready to start building your own passive income empire? Let's dive into some proven strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Real estate has long been a popular avenue for generating passive income. Why? Because everyone needs a place to live, right? Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of cash flow, long-term appreciation, and even tax advantages. Let's break down the process. First, save for a down payment. Real estate requires capital. Set a savings goal and start putting away money for a down payment. Next, research and choose your market. Location, location, location. Research areas with strong rental demand and potential for appreciation. Then, secure financing. Shop around for the best mortgage rates and terms. After that, find your investment property. Work with a realtor to identify properties that fit your budget and investment goals. Finally, manage your property. You can choose to manage the property yourself or hire a property manager to handle tenant communication, repairs, and rent collection. Remember, real estate investing comes with its own set of responsibilities. You'll need to be prepared for tenant issues, property maintenance, and potential market fluctuations. But with the right knowledge and planning, real estate can be a powerful engine for building long-term wealth. Investing in the stock market might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Index funds and dividend stocks offer a passive approach to growing your money. Index funds are like a basket of stocks that track a market index. This diversification helps mitigate risk. Dividend stocks pay out a portion of profits to shareholders. You can earn passive income from these regular payouts. Open a brokerage account and start investing regularly. Focus on long-term growth and avoid panic selling. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your investments grow. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for generating passive income. From online courses and ebooks to affiliate marketing and YouTube channels, there are countless ways to monetize your skills and passions online. Create and sell online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy. Write and sell ebooks. Self-publish on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions through unique affiliate links. Build a YouTube channel. Earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Explore these options and start building your online business today. Embarking on your passive income journey is exciting, but it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and a sprinkle of caution. Remember, there's no such thing as get rich quick. Building sustainable passive income streams takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Research and due diligence. Thoroughly research any passive income opportunity before investing your time and money. Understand the risks involved, the potential returns, and the level of effort required. Start small and scale gradually. You don't have to go all in right away. Start with 1 or 2 passive income ideas that resonate with you and gradually scale your efforts as you gain experience and confidence. Be patient and persistent. Success in passive income, like any worthwhile endeavor, takes time. Stay committed to your goals, even if you encounter setbacks or challenges along the way. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. By taking consistent action, learning from your experiences, and staying focused on your goals, you can gradually build passive income streams that provide you with greater financial security and freedom in the long run. So, take the first step today. Explore the possibilities, research different avenues, and start building your own passive income empire. The future is yours to create. The beauty of passive income is that it empowers you to take control of your financial future. It's about designing a life where your money works for you instead of the other way around. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, spend more time with loved ones, or simply enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial security. The path to passive income may not always be easy, but it's a journey worth taking. By embracing the principles of hard work, smart decision-making, and unwavering persistence, you can turn your dreams of financial freedom into a reality. So take that first step today. The future is yours to create. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.